Hello and welcome everyone to Blender 4 for Complete Beginners, the perfect course for anyone looking to get started with Blender as a complete beginner. With over 21 hours of packed content, this course will guide you through the fundamentals of Blender, including modeling, lighting, materials, and rendering. We will finish the course with the creation of a fully realized 3D bathroom environment just using Blender from start to finish, all in this one single course. The course is structured into 8 different sections with over 100 lectures which cover all these different aspects of Blender. In the first two sections, we will get started with Blender, downloading it and learning the navigations, interface and layout. In the second section, we will go over a lot of basic tools and concepts like 3D cursor, pivot points, shading modes, proportional editing and a lot more to set the foundation for the rest of the course. Section 3 and 4 would be all about modeling, where we learn different modeling tools and techniques like extrude, bevels, inset, knife tool, and a lot more. Modifiers would be essential in speeding up our workflow, creating complex models with minimal effort. We will learn important modifiers like subdivision surface, booleans, arrays, mirror, and a lot more. With this section, we will understand the fundamentals of cameras in Blender, learn how to position and frame them to create dynamic compositions, master key concepts like focal length, depth of field, perspective, and orthographic cameras to frame your scenes like a professional. We will learn how to add lights and mood into our scenes and capture the renders, going over various different lights like point, area, HDRIs, sky texture nodes, and a lot more. We will also cover Blender's render engines, Eevee, and cycles, and their key features to achieve realistic and cinematic lighting effects. In this section, we will learn Blender's powerful material system to add realism and detail to our 3D models. We will cover various different nodes and shaders like principled BSDF, glossy, glass, emission, color ramp, texture nodes, and a lot more. We will also cover volume and displacement nodes to help you create photorealistic materials using custom textures and advanced nodes. In the final section of this course, we will use everything we have learned until now to create this beautiful looking bathroom environment from start to finish, covering modeling, materials, lighting, and rendering. Best of all, throughout this course, we will only use Blender with no need for any other software or paid add-ons. This course has everything you need to know to get started with Blender and create your very own stunning 3D environments. So I hope to see you there. Thank you.